Alright, let's start with practice 3, question 1. So look at the question they're asking. P exceeds S by what number? So they are actually looking for P minus S. So you notice that P is sum of prime numbers less than 18. P actually equal to sum of the prime number less than 18. So you list them as 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 plus 13 and plus 17. You either add them up and find the difference, or I can just list them out first then cancel them. So S is the sum of the factors of 18. So 18 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9 and plus 18. 1 times 18, 2 times 9 and 3 times 6. Very straightforward. So now we are trying to cancel them. You notice that 2 and 2 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel. 6, 1 with 7. And 5, 13 with 18. 11 minus 9 you have 2. So you left 2 and 17, which is 19 in this case. So the answer is 19. Instead of adding up, you just cancelling. So let's go to number 2. They want to find what is the value of n. N is divided by 5, the quotient is 13, and the remainder is 4. So n is the actual number. When you divide it by 5, you have 13. So it's 5 times 13 because you have divided by 5. And then the remainder is extra 4 over there. So 5 times 13 plus 4, which is actually 69. Number 3. If P is divided by 3 and Q is divisible by 4, PQ means that you multiply them, then you multiply 3 and 4. So that means PQ must be divided by 3 and 4. 3 times 4, which is 12. So they said which one is divisible by each of the following except number that is not a factor of 12. So 9 is not a factor of 12. Which number has the most factors? Alright, notice that any perfect square, they have odd number of factors. Odd number, perfect square. So like 25, you have 5 times 5, so that counts 1. All other number that is not perfect squares, they have even number of factors. If you notice that in this case, 12, 18, 25, this two is big, so most likely they are larger. Let's try one by one. 12 is 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. You have 6 factors over here. 18 we done before is 6 also. 1 times 18, 2 times 9, and 3 times 6. So it's 6 also. These two are the same, so these two are out. 25 is 1 times 25, 5 times 5, and 5 times 5. So you have 3 only. So this is definitely out. Now this is even number of factors, and this odd number of factors. So you try this one first. 1 times 100, 2 times 50, 4 times 25, 5 times 20, and 10 times 10. You have 9 altogether here. 70 is 1 times 70, 2 times 35, 5 times 14, and 7 times 10. You have 8 only. So the answer is E. Number 5, all numbers that are divisible by 3 and 10. And because, oh sorry, it's number 6, this one. Let's go back to number 5. Which number is divisible by 2 and 3? By 2 and 3 means that they are divided by 6 actually. Now divided by 2 means that they must be even. So this one is out right away. So divided by 3 means that the sum of the digit must be divided by 3. So this means the sum of digit must be a multiple of 3. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. 4 is not multiple of 3, so A is out. 4 plus 3 plus 8, 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 is a multiple of 3. So the answer is B. I don't need to go over C and E. Number 6, okay, let's now go to number 6 first. They said the number divided by both 3 and 10. So divided by both 3 and 10 means that it's the factor of 30. 3 times 10 is 30. So which one is factor of 30? The answer is 15D. Number 7. X is even and Y is odd. So they want to find which one is odd. Oh no, so which one is even, sorry. Which one is even. So we can check it out very easily. You can cancel some of them first. Y is odd, odd plus even is odd. So this is out. So you look at this, Y plus odd times odd is odd, this is out. And even minus odd is odd, this is out. Even plus odd is odd, is out. The answer is to be C in this case. So you notice that even plus odd is odd, odd minus odd is even. Even times any number will be even. Number 8. For how many different positive integers p? Is 105 or p also an integers? Positive integers, so you don't need to worry about the negative side. So how many of them? They don't find the value, they are looking for how many p. When you divide 105 by p, you get an integers. So which means p must be the factors of 105. So we want to find the factor of 105 because this is not a perfect square. So then they don't have an odd number of factors. They must have even number of factors, either 6 or 8 of them. So let's try. 105 is 1 times 105. Cannot be divided by 2, so it's 3. 5 plus 1 is 6, so it's divided by 3. 3 times 3 is 5. And n with 5 is 5. 5 times 21. 21 is divided by 3 and 7, so it's 7 times 15. So you already have 8, so the answer is D. Number 9. Which n is odd? Which one is represent odd integers? So if n is odd, so you just check one by one really fast. Odd times even is even, minus odd is odd. Odd square is also odd, so the answer is A. I don't need to go through the rest. And if you're looking at this is also, you put in, this is even, odd is even. Odd minus odd is even. Odd plus odd is even. And divided by 2 can be even or odd. So this is odd. Right, power, 3 power, odd number is always odd, plus 1 is even. So obviously it's A. Number 10. K minus 1 is a multiple of 4. Next larger multiple of 4. So multiple of 4 means that you have the difference of 4. So you just plus 4 from k minus 1. K minus 1 plus 4 equal to k plus 3. So answer is D. Number 11, they said how many marbles were put into each jar. Each jar, how many marbles? They said m marbles are put into n jars. So the total is m. Total is m. So each jar, let's say you have x, so you go to n jars, so n times x. But you have extra 2 marbles remaining. So you plus 2. So that's how you set up the equations. You want to find x, so this means you move the 2 over, so it's m minus 2, and divided by n. Right, m minus 2 divided by n. And the answer is D. Okay, number 12. P divided by 4, the remainder is 3. When P divided by 3, the remainder is 0. So this means P is a multiple of 3. So you check multiple of 3, these two are out. And divided by 4, the remainder is 3. So this means it's not even number, out. So 15 divided by 4, you have 3 remainders. That's it.